Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Let's get started. To start off, we'll just need a few things. Since we're doing a sun, we'll use yellow, red, and burgundy. And then our accent colors, then some old newspaper, a blank canvas, and of course, your protective gear. Now we're ready to start. We're going to start off by shaking up our cans, making sure they're ready to go. Next, we'll put the stencil down and then marking the location with a little bit of spray paint so that we can remember where to put it later. Once you've marked where you wanted the planet to go, then you can take the guide off and start spraying your colors. We'll start with some red. Then some yellow, and the maroon or burgundy. Just figuring out what the right combination of how much you want. In this case, I wanted a little more of the yellow to pop out, so I made sure to finish it off with some yellow. And then you're going to grab your newspaper, crumple it up, and kind of swirl it around and take it away. Sorry, it's a really bad camera angle, but I'll try to make it work. You get the idea. Just kind of blob it and take it away, and it creates a very gaseous look. Little extra yellow to kind of really bring out that yellow color. There we go. Looking much better. Now you wait for it to dry. Once your painting's all dry, we can start getting ready for the next phase, which will need to crumple up some of the newspaper like this and get ready to start making the sun. Place our guide where we want the sun to be. Make sure there's plenty of color around the guide, because when you fill it up with black, you're going to be taking away that black to create the sunburst effect. So go ahead and put black all around the planet, or in this case, the sun. Before we take the cover off and start creating the sunburst, we're going to put down some stars, because you don't want to do that with the planet or the sun uncovered. So how you make the stars is you just take your white and you spray your finger like this, and then you just flick. In my opinion, it's really easy to go overboard with the stars, but sometimes it can look really good. In this case, I didn't want to do a whole lot because I didn't want to take away from the sun effect. So now that you got your stars, you can go ahead and take the guide off. This is probably my favorite part, is the reveal of the planet, or in this case a star. So since it dried a little bit, you can always take some clear coat and spray it around to kind of moisten up the paint and make it easier to release. And then starting from inside the star and then rotating outward like that, create the nice sunburst effect. So instead of just rays, it gives it kind of like a off gas look. And voila, a completed sun. Hey, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you'd like to see more videos like this.